worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing, gonna be alright. Alright. Don't worry about a thing. Don't you really worry now. 'Cause every little thing, is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, right to the rising sun. 3 little birds pinched by my doorstep, singing this song. Melody pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. We're taking a look at 3 Little Birds by Bob Marley and the Wailers. So reggae. I'm going to put on this metronome. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Instead, we want this, instead of 4 beats, we want this to be 8 beats. So we're going to count it like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Every time you say "and," that's when you want to strum the guitar. It's just going to be 1 downstroke on the strings. 1 strum, 2 strum, 3 strum, 4 strum. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's going to smell a bit like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Don't worry. Okay, got the idea? I'm going to turn for the super right hand angle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Don't worry about a thing. 'Cause every little thing is going to be alright. Super right hand angle.